welcome to my channel. I just want to show you that we have snow. This is Columbus, Ohio. It is very beautiful. It reminds me of when I was young. 1 year, oh, I was very young then, going way back to January of 1978. We had a blizzard and I walked to the bus stop anyway. I was just so used to every day, 5 days a week. It was just my routine. I got up early. I was mature enough to walk to the bus stop on my own to catch the school bus. And I waited there for probably 15 minutes. I said, this bus is late. It's probably due to the snow. And I was adventurous back then. I loved to get out in the snow. I had boots, and I think we had nearly 7 inches that year. I wondered why there were not any other kids at the bus stop. I just thought maybe their parents didn't want to send them on such a snowy day. And I guess my mom didn't know school had been canceled. She went back to bed, I know. Yeah, that was real confusing. I just waited there and waited there. I had a watch. It's like, what's going on? This bus is 15 minutes late. It never showed up. And a neighbor lady said, you can go on home. There isn't any school today. That was during the blizzard. And I didn't get the word, I guess. I went back home. Then my mom sent me out to do some shoveling, and I shoveled the driveway because my dad had to get to work. He worked the afternoon shift. So I went out and shoveled big time. Then Mom had hot chocolate ready for me and pancakes, and boy, that was rewarding. Columbus, Ohio, normally what Columbus, Ohio looks like is this, and you'll see downtown. But that year, whoo! And all through the state of Ohio, it was severe weather. And as you can see, that picture of the car in Akron, whoa, it was an abandoned car, but it was buried in snow. That's how deep the snow was. They got it even deeper up there, I guess. Well, I want to walk the dogs in the snow. They are very small dogs, but I think it might be okay. So we might just venture out there in just a little while. We're heading out the door on a snowy day. We can hardly wait, right, girls? They're down there. Go, girls. Let's go out the door. Oh, they got twisted. What do you think, Smoochy? We're really not going too far. Here's our driveway. As you can see, we didn't shovel it. We're not using it today, so. Okay, when I was a kid, I shoveled a lot of snow to help out around the house. My mom sure appreciated that. She was a busy beaver inside the house. She got out and shoveled too. So now I feel good. Yesterday was just nothing but mud all through here. All the rain, it rained all day yesterday. So now we have snow. And here's our neighbor's dog, Denarius. There's Denarius. Hiya, Denarius. How you doing? There she is, girls. Now, hi, Denarius. Smoochy is all excited. just picked up Smoochies. Oh no. That their house is pretty. Brick house. Come on, girls. Lots of them. This morning when I woke up and looked out the window, there was mud everywhere, a mud pit where it had rained all night. Then by mid-morning, the snow began to fall, and I looked out, and the ground was a beautiful coat of white snow. I just love it, and it lifted my spirits. Now the winter blues are going away, at least for a while. Woo! I do love adventures, but we need to head. My fingers is on, but my fingers. The German Shepherd. Okay. It's okay, Smoochie. Okay. We need girls. That's a beautiful German Shepherd. You're just being crazy. Now stop, girls. There's the road ahead of us, so we got to walk it. Hey, sweetie. Boo Boo can't keep up with Smoochie. Some greenery here. Beautiful pine tree. That one's real tall. Got Smoochie and Boo Boo. There's Boo Boo back in the house. They got their treats. Boy, we tracked in a lot of snow. I'm ready for a cup of coffee, for sure. Thought about chocolate, but then I said, no, I need some coffee. Thanks for watching as we took our adventure out in the snow today in Columbus, Ohio. God bless each and every one of you. I'll see you on the next one.